Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled that you're here. Today is Tuesday, so we're gonna do another October daily video. This time I'm gonna show you my setup that I have on my dresser behind me, and also I'm gonna share with you what I have prepped so far. I had a lot of fun with some cut files and learning how to layer cardstock behind the cut files. I'm also going to share with you my Feed Your Craft kit that came, and then at the end of the video I'll do a little voiceover to show you how I'm using the stamps to make some of my own journaling cards. So I have a lot in this video and I'm excited to share it with you, and let's get started. Okay, so when you come over here I have a tray of Colorcast Designs, just some random bits and pieces. I do want to use this charm for the spine of my album along with this as well. So I am going to put some charms on my album. This is a huge sneak peek of October Mood that is coming to Traci Reed's shop on Friday. So right here I put a bunch of stuff stacked on top. It's a little messy, but that's okay. This is my box from my bestie, some journaling, and some more Traci Reed die cut stickers. There's 160 stickers in the kit coming out this Friday. I will probably do a little video for that collection because it is going to be so good. This one is the old die cuts. I showed that in the supplies video. This one is another one I just split up. And then this one at the bottom, I'm actually gonna get out and share with you because it is my Feed Your Craft kit that I'm thrilled to have. This poor little tree won't stay up, but it's supposed to be up there. I have all my washies in here like you saw in my supply video, but I just put them right here in a refrigerator container. And then I just have a little tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I split up the Feed Your Craft die cuts into Halloween and fall. I also, this one's just random stuff I'm throwing in there. This is Colorcast Designs, and then I have lined up all of my sequins and my Nuvo drops. These are two pieces that I prepped, and I will share those in a little bit with the rest of them. This is a new stamp set from Studio Calico I got. I could not resist. Another stamp set, and so I just put the smaller journaling cards in the front, and then I just randomly stuck some paper in there. But this is just a $10 organizer from Target. And so I just put in all the paper pads, my greeting cards, my stickers, and then some more TN size papers that I had left over. Move my hand. I also put in the 8.5 by 11 collection from Mandy Ford in here, and then the 12 by 12 papers. Don't really fit. You can see they kind of bend a little, but it's not that big of a deal to me, so I'm just going to leave them there. So that is my main setup. Like I said, this year I'm keeping it a little bit smaller and not going too crazy with it. The best way that you can organize your supplies is definitely this $1 cupcake tray, and then a small little set of drawers to organize things, and refrigerator containers. Most of my containers I get at TJ Maxx. Super cheap and so versatile. Same thing with this one up here. It is a 3. Let's just do another sneak peek of October Mood. But this one is just $1 from the dollar store. So I love their containers and it helps me to stay organized. All right, let's switch over to the cut files. All right, you guys, I'm so excited to share with you the cut files. Like I said in the intro, I had a lot of fun. So this is my opening page. I did a laminated pocket and just ran it through my machine, nothing in the pocket, and then I had a nice hard background here. And then I just layered on a bunch of washi tape. That's all I did. And then in Photoshop Elements, I had a pumpkin face font and a script font, and I took those and put them on a PNG and then put it into my Cameo, and so now I have a custom cover. And then I cut it a little tall, or I punched the holes a little tall, but that's okay. I'll fix it for next time, that way I don't punch the holes wrong next time. And then, you know, I like to open with my decoration box, and so I have a great photo of that right behind, and so that will be the start of my album. We already went to a pumpkin patch, so I need to get started on adding in those photos. So the cut files. First, I have the negatives of the title page, so I can definitely use these in some way if I wanted to, or just save them. This one is, you saw sitting in my tray, it's a little cat with a boo. This is from Ashley Horton at the Cut Shop. This was actually in a bundle of 4 pumpkins, and what I did is I layered in 3 different colors, and then I was able to put that into the Cameo and cut it out. So that was a lot of fun. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, obviously, but I wanted to just have it there just in case I wanted to use it. This is also from Ashley Horton, and I just love this little spider web. I took my Nuvo drops and outlined the web and then added in some sequins, and I love how it came out. And then another one of Ashley Horton's that I did was she had these circles, and I shrunk them down to a little less than 2 by 2, and then I cut them out on white cardstock. And then this is where I learned how to layer paper behind the cut file. So I have a video, there's a video I found from Paige Evans, and so I'll link that. But these 4 circles are all from Ashley Horton, and I just added in some Nuvo drops there for the brooms, some bubbles for the potion, and then these sequins are from my bestie last year, Veronica. And then I can just add in some pictures if I want. So that was really fun cut files to play with. Okay, so the Cameo was having a sale on their Halloween cut files, so I grabbed a ton. And this is one of them that I grabbed. This is the negative, but I saved it because it could still make for a great addition to the album. Mommy Stein, I love it. It's perfect, and I love how she has a messy hair. So this one took me forever to put together. This is her. She is so cute, and I just love her messy hair. I wasn't able to get the cut file to cooperate because it was such thick cardstock, but you know, you live and you learn, right? So it was a lot of fun to experiment. So she has her pink hair and then some bolts, and then I did the Nuvo drops. I mixed some, and then I did the Mommy Stein and put it on orange vellum. So that is all of my cut files and everything that I have printed out. And now I want to show you the Feed Your Craft kit because I just love it, and I think it's going to be very versatile. Now, I didn't prep any fall cut files just because I have that Traci Reed kit that I could use, and also I was just having more fun with the Halloween die cuts. So let me grab the Feed Your Craft kit. This is the Halloween themed stamp set, and I just love it. I can make so many journaling cards with it, and it's going to be so versatile. So this is Simply Magical, a witch, a howling werewolf, a cat, a little mischief, potions, having a wicked good time. You guys, the possibilities are endless with this stamp set. I love it. And then inside of that envelope was some stickers to count down the month or add to your pages, whatever you want to do with them. They're going to have lots of uses. And also an adorable cat. Since I did grab the physical kit, it came with the fall stamp set with the moon phases, family fun, this adorable house, colors of nature, autumn magic, take it slow and savor it all. So I absolutely love this stamp set. And this one is available digitally. So if you wanted to grab it digitally, you could. So let me share with you the cards in the kit. I'm very excited to use this kit and October Mood from Traci for my fall projects. So fall in love with moments, comforts of home, some leaves, stay indoors kind of day, in the mood for everyday joys, cherish these fleeting moments, seasonal favorite, and then this little starburst, night sky, everyday magic, cozy houses, I just love those, and then some autumn trees. And then you have some 4x6s, autumn excursion, bits and pieces of daily life, all the different fall words: falling leaves, homebody, cozy layers, simply the best, and then another kind of astrological night sky, and then 5 things that I love. Oh, so gorgeous. Jerry Lynn from In a Creative Bubble is just insanely talented. So this kit is also available digitally if you wanted to grab it digitally. I did create one thing with the kit. It's kind of a small thing, but I just made a vellum page with the night sky, and it's curling a little because it's so much ink, so I'll probably have to flatten it, but I can definitely use it for something in my album. That is one last little piece that I wanted to share. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here. I don't want it to run too long. So on Thursdays, when I teach you how to use your stamps, last week it was Everyday Explorers Project Life. This week I will just do the stamped fall and Halloween cards for Thursday, because I don't want this video to keep going and going. But I hope you enjoyed seeing my October daily setup, all my cut files, and what I have prepped so far. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.